Hey everybody, hope you are doing well. I'm Jacob, and in this video, I'm going to share my dividend income for the month of October 2022. It's been a pretty interesting month overall. The Fed raised the interest rate another 75 basis points, which was to be expected, to be completely honest. But with that, I feel like the market did not react as negatively as it has for the other rate hikes, which I guess I'm not really sure what to make of that. I don't know if it's more of a bullish thing, but going forward, I do believe that the Fed is going to decrease the amount of the interest rate hikes. From what I've heard, a lot of people are expecting 50 basis points the next go around. And then more on the micro perspective, Elon Musk finally purchased Twitter. I don't know how much you guys have been following the story, but Elon Musk was going to purchase Twitter some time back, but he opted out of the deal, and then Twitter took him to court, and then he must have just decided to buy it. And with that, a lot of employees got laid off, which of course sucks to see. But business is business. I mean, Twitter was losing, I believe, $3 million per day. And sometimes you just got to cut the fat off. So overall, I'm really excited to see how that entire situation unfolds. All right, so looking at this portfolio, overall right now the value is right around $27,380. That's a gain of about $3,900 with a return just a hair above 27%. And if we look at the entire month, we're sitting right around a $927 gain, or 3.5%. So actually the month of October was pretty good. We had some really nice green candles, if you will. And just looking at some of the best performers in my portfolio, well, looking at the sectors, you can see that the tech sector performed the worst, down over 9%. Yeah, tech got hit pretty heavy this last month. Apple and Broadcom declined the least, but more of the volatile tech stocks like Asana, Tesla, and Amazon, those got hammered pretty hard. But you know, that's just all part of the risk-reward ratio. The more risk that you take on, the more volatile the holdings are going to be, which means that the fluctuations are either going to be pretty good or pretty bad. And in this case, for these tech stocks, they are pretty bad. But I believe in them, that's why I have them, so I'm just going to wait them out and see what happens. Now, going into some of the better performers, telecom, I only have AT&T in here, so that had a 15% increase over the past month. And the finance sector, that had pretty good returns as well. Stocks like Aflac, BlackRock. The only one in the red is Ally, that's down 15%, so that's actually pretty substantial for a financial company. And that's to be expected. Ally is a more volatile banking stock compared to some of the other bigger banks like JP Morgan. If you look at the beta, which is essentially a measure of volatility, Ally has a 1.27. Now, a beta of 1, that means that the stock is going to move with the market. So you can think like the S&P 500. So that 0.27, that's actually an indicator that it's a pretty volatile stock. And if we look at something like JP Morgan, that has a beta of 1.12. Now, looking at the dividends, we'll just whip through them here pretty quick. But first is Coca-Cola at $2.68. Genuine Parts Company, $7.06. This is one that I'm definitely going to be adding to in the future. Dividend King, fairly good growth, great company overall. Nike, 79 cents. Vici Properties, real estate, they own a lot of properties on the Vegas Strip. They paid $8.01. Realty Income Corp, monthly paying REIT, $5.90. DTE, this is an electrical utility based out of Detroit, Michigan, $1.80. Stag Industrial, another REIT similar to Realty Income Corp with a focus on industrial-based properties. $2.63 is what they brought in. SPHD, another monthly paying stock. This is actually an ETF, but they brought in $7.12. Cisco Corp, the food distribution company. This month they brought in $3.83. And to round everything off for the month of October, comes from JP Morgan, and they paid out $5.55. So when we add everything together, the grand total for October comes to $45.37. And that's all on about a $27,000 portfolio. And the first month of the quarter, at least in my portfolio, has the lowest payout just because most of the companies that I have, they tend to pay their dividends in the second or third month. But overall, a very good increase, especially when you look at the first month of the past couple quarters. Last quarter, we got $35. The quarter before that, $33. And, this time last year, we're looking at $30. So that's about a $15 increase. And man, I just love seeing these dividends rolling in. I love tracking this too. Not only because it shows the growth of my portfolio so I can always look back and see how it performed, but to also give you guys some inspiration to start your own investing journey, whatever that may be. And odds are you're not going to get there overnight. I mean, this is a long process, especially this dividend income. And that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to show you where I'm at in my dividend investing journey, my journey to financial freedom. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button and also subscribe as well. It really helps me out and I would truly appreciate it. So with that said, thank you so much for taking the time to check out the video. Stay safe out there and good luck investing.